What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. We got ourselves a new build, 2020 Audi A4. Minor front end collision, nothing too crazy. Let's take a closer look and see exactly what we got. Very light cosmetic damages, pretty much just missed the reinforcement and just got the soft spot. So this is all soft spots, so this is why it looks like this, but all cosmetic. Most likely the radiator's damaged, the condenser, obviously the headlight. Pretty much just need complete front end. And original color is like a metallic gray. So once we fix everything, we'll rewrap the car same black color, matte black. But this is what it looks like. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, start ordering new parts, and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Let's go. I just got the Audi inside of the shop. I also put it on quick jacks already, so I'm ready to work. And man, quick jacks, best setup ever. So now I have all the access to remove the wheels, the fenders, the fender liner. Just makes my life a lot easier. So if you guys always working on cars, I highly recommend check out quick jacks, best stuff ever. So let's continue working on the car. We'll start with by removing the front bumper, the headlight, pretty much free everything up front so we could assess the damage. Let the fun begin. Let's do this. I just opened the hood and yeah, we have some coolant leak. But pretty much like I said, the whole front end is busted. Okay, let's continue removing everything and we'll go from there. Don't worry, be happy. Just took everything apart, so we're just marking everything what's damaged. So new reinforcement, absorber, upper radiator support, both condenser, radiator, fan shrotter. If there's damage, fender got damaged, hood got damaged. Probably we need a new latch. Probably two new latches because it was oh yeah, this one's crooked. So we take pictures, we submit everything to insurance company. So for now, we're gonna wait till insurance company responds. Once we get everything approved, we'll order all the parts and get this car back on the road. So we finally got some parts for the Audi so we could start working. And we got new radiator support, new radiator, new condenser, new reinforcement, a bunch of other pieces, little brackets, plastic hoses, and stickers for the hood because we're gonna get a new hood. And those are the stickers that go on the hood. And this is what it looks like. So I'll remove everything at once, hopefully. Pull the radiator, free everything, and start installing the new one. So everything is loose, so I could start removing the radiator and condenser. But I think we might have some more Freon in the condenser, so let's double check. Oh yeah, we still got the Freon, so let me get the machine and we'll recover the Freon and then we'll remove everything. I got the air condition machine out, so we'll recover the Freon and then we'll put it back. So I got everything hooked up and ready to go. So right now we'll do recovery. We want to get all the Freon out of the system. And then once we install everything back, we'll pump it back into the car. I just recovered all the Freon, so no more Freon in the system. So now we could remove the condenser. Just took the front end apart. I was able to pull the whole assembly out once, so now we could start replacing it. So I got the radiator support and the radiator and condenser and fan all at the same time. So now we could get our new one and transfer everything to that one. And we could start reinstalling it back on the car. Almost done. So I'm gonna be still using some of the brackets from here and all that stuff to transfer to our new one. And here's the new radiator. So I gotta transfer everything from this one to this one. Okay, I put the condenser, radiator, fan shroud all together. So now we could install the radiator support and then we'll install the whole assembly at once. That's it, just put the whole assembly together. So we got the radiator support, frame rails, condenser, radiator, and fan shroud. Everything's brand new, and now we're ready to start installing. And this is what it looks like. Okay, thank you. Just installed the radiator, condenser, the whole front end assembly. So now we're ready to start pouring the coolant. And we'll use something like this to put coolant in there. So this way we don't have to bleed the system. We put the special rubber, whatever fits, and I got 4 different sizes. And then we'll put this guy in here. So now we're gonna do a quick vacuum check, make sure there's no leaking or anything like that. So as you guys could see, I got it up to the 15. So right now I'm gonna leave this like that for like 10 minutes, make sure I don't have any leaks in my coolant system. And when we come back, if it's still at 15, that means we could start pouring coolant. And see what it does like a vacuum suction. So once I start pouring coolant, it's just gonna go everywhere. So I got myself a bucket and 2 gallons. So I'll pour everything in the bucket and then we'll start pumping. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and we're still at 15. So now we're ready to start pouring. I usually just get a full bucket, and then whatever is extra, we could put it back in the bottle. Okay, so now you just open this valve carefully, slowly, and voila, we got coolant. So now this is gonna go all the way down, and once it goes down, that means we have a full coolant system of coolant. And that's it, we're all finished. Everything is bled up to 0. So now we could turn everything off and start the car and let it go through. So next I want to put the Freon back in the system. I got my AC machine, so we'll hook it up, we'll put the Freon, and then we'll do the final start and let it warm up. And I think we should be good. And that's it, we're done with AC. Gotta put those caps back on. Okay, let's start the car now. Okay, here's the temperature, so we'll let it get warmed up and go from there. Oh, very, very cold AC blowing. Let's plug this guy in, see the temperature, how cold it's gonna get. But yeah, everything works good, no problem. Car is not overheating. So 45 degrees, I think that's pretty good. What do you guys think? That's pretty cold for a car to be 45 degrees. But yeah, so we're all done. So next we could start working on the fender. I'm still waiting for the hood, so hopefully we'll get the hood soon. It's backwater. I don't know when we're gonna get it. So that's the waiting game. Don't worry, be happy. Finally, we got the hood. It was backwater, pretty much just waiting for the hood for 3 weeks. Car is very dirty. I'm gonna have to wash it before we start painting. And here's the new hood. Andre painted it inside so I could install it, and then we'll paint the rest of the car. That's the process. And also I gotta do a quick repair on the fender as well. Got a little damage right here, little ding, but nothing too crazy. And this is a metal fender, so it should be a quick repair. Once I installed the hood so I could see my lines, let's do it. Audi is ready to go, everything is painted, and we could install the headlights and the bumper. So we painted the car and then rewrapped the car to matte black. So this is the final look. Same with the front bumper. So now we could put everything together and get this car ready for delivery. Audi is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out like nothing ever happened, ready for delivery. Pretty much, we replaced the whole front end, new bumper, new headlight, complete cooling system, upper radiator support, new hood, and we rewrapped the car. So the car is looking good, and we're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!